Hey guys, Jane here. Welcome to our unboxing channel. If this is your first time visiting, please support our channel by clicking the subscribe button and the bell so you will never miss our latest Blackpink unboxing videos. Blackpink have finally revealed their official Lightstick version 2 with upgraded new features but with the same quirky cute hammer design. This upgrade is a limited edition that blinks to a specific sound and comes with an exclusive cradle stand. Isn't it pretty? Well guys, this December 6th, we are gonna have a special Christmas giveaway. If you invite 10 people to subscribe to our channel and answer our giveaway question, you'll get a chance to win a Blackpink Lightstick 2 and a special Christmas gift from us. Wow! Just follow these instructions for you to have an entry. Make sure that your invited subscriptions are valid because we strictly check per subscription name on our YouTube studio. Good luck and have a Merry Christmas from us.